Let us know, everybody. We got here a 2008 GMC Envoy SLE1 four-wheel drive unit, polished wheels, no rust on this truck. It's solid throughout. Well-maintained trailer tow pack, 6-cylinder motor, 4x4 on the fly, 5-passenger seating, windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD player. This truck has no accidents, no issues, got good miles on it, just around 100. Solid and straight. Of course, it's going to qualify for our 3-month, 4,500-mile complimentary service contract over the complete driveline. You're also going to be able to get guaranteed credit approval on this truck. You see $795 starting down payment. 2-owner, a gajillion service records, solid, straight, perfect Carfax. Financing is available and guaranteed. DasCleveland.com.